Here's the scenario. I'm in the elevator with the CEO of a company, and he or she asks me, what do I do? I start by going as states. Well, good morning. My name is John Bolton, and I am your company's independent IT management consultant. Although I am the IT version of a Swiss Army knife, my specialty is systems integration and project management. I've spent a greater part of 2 decades refining these skills during my employment with the U.S. Department of Defense. Basically, my job is to leverage the resources of my team to deliver IT solutions that are conducive to this company's expanding operational reach. I truly enjoy this job because it gives me a front seat view to this company's fight to become an industry leader. I am also proud of my team's demonstrated ability to deliver solutions to your company that meet your company's needs. They are delivered on time and on budget. Likewise, I have truly been inspired by this company's willingness to integrate emerging technologies such as cloud computing, e-commerce, video teleconferencing, and other collaborative tools to advance their influence in today's digitally connected world. After studying this company's balance sheet, stock prices, future projects, and recent acquisitions, it's obvious that this company is positioning itself for future prosperity. While this future seems to be very bright, there are some adjustments that can be made to the company's IT architecture. These changes would likely position this company as an industry leader by fulfilling the needs of their primary customers at a greater pace than your competitors. Additionally, these changes would create new customers and vastly grow the market share for your company. I understand that this company's Chief Information Officer position is currently vacant, but I would like to sit down with you sometime to discuss these adjustments and how they align with your strategic vision. Thank you for asking, and have a great day.